We found 5 new gluten-free snacks from Stop and Shop, and we're gonna rate every single one of them to determine which ones
Schmack.
and which ones
Crack.
Let's get going. Archer grass-fed beef jerky teriyaki flavor. And that's kind of important to know because not all teriyaki is gluten-free because soy sauce usually has wheat in it.
Wheat.
Ooh, that smells really good.
I was gonna say it smells like a tube.
Yeah, this looks really good. $14.69.
That's expensive.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
It's alright. No, it's pretty good.
I like it a lot.
It's kind of like too soft.
Oh, I could eat this all day.
My jaw hurts from this piece.
10 grams of protein. It's chewy.
I kind of wish it was like peppery.
It's not too salty to me either.
It's a little too sweet. If I'm gonna eat a jerky, I want it to be like salty and hot. I like it though. I'm gonna give it 1 through 5. Mm-hmm. You really want to know?
I'm dying to know.
You really want to know?
Oh, I can't wait.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
What? I'm gonna give it a 4. So that's a 6 out of 10 for the jerk. Evolved dark chocolate cups.
Chocolate.
$11 chocolate. This little box.
Keto.
Organic.
Paleo.
Plant-based.
I think it's sugar-free. I think it's gonna taste like Baker's chocolate.
Like what?
Baker's chocolate.
What's that?
Why don't you get out and live life and figure out what Baker's chocolate is? Individually wrapped.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7?
I like the packaging. It feels like an iPhone box or something.
Yeah, it is really nice packaging. Ooh, the shape is nice.
It's like an octagon.
Chocolate.
Oh, it's not sweet at all.
Yeah, I didn't think it would be. Because it's for people who are like on the keto diet. I think it's flavorful though.
There's artichoke fiber in here.
Makes me thirsty.
Wicked thirsty, yeah. It's a shame that you don't have any water. Do you want some water? I know that it's going for a certain demographic and that's why it's not sweet. It reminds me of that Simple Mills Oreo dupe.
Yeah.
It just kind of finishes really bitter.
Preach.
And your boy's spitting right now. Leaves you wanting more. I think there's people who would love this.
I would eat this. I like the hazelnut butter. I'm gonna give this a 2.
I'm gonna give it a 1.5. It's for someone. It's just not for these two. 3.5.
$12.
Yeah, not worth the money either.
We love me, Nina.
New flavor, spicy chipotle lime, as my parents say. Chipotle. Huge fans of this brick.
Thank you to Linda.
My mom.
My future mother-in-law.
Show the ring.
She introduced both of us to these, and ever since
She found it in Stop and
we
Shop.
have to buy them. But we've never had this flavor.
Mi Niñas are the best tortilla chip. You can't tell me otherwise.
Once you go Mi Nina, you can't go back.
Organic.
Get it on you.
Our favorite's the Pico de Gallo, but yeah, let's see if this one will overcome it.
Ooh.
Interesting. It's limey.
This one's really spicy because there's a lot of seasoning. I used to be obsessed with Tostitos lime chips. This reminds me of it, but like more elevated.
Wow, it's really good. A lot of them have a lot of powder. Yeah, something about these chips, man. They're unbelievable.
This is spicy chipotle.
The heat hits you. It's not overbearing though. Massachusetts company. We like to keep it local.
Yeah, we'll be eating these later. I'll give this a 4.
3.8. 7.8 for the Mi Niña spicy chipotle. My mouth is on fire right now.
Next.
I'm super excited for this one.
Mammoth marshmallow. Crispy treats. It's for kids apparently, but we can do whatever we want.
This Saves Lives is that bar in Starbucks.
Oh yeah.
It only has egg in it. It is like a Rice Krispie treat. For those of you who don't know, Rice Krispie treats aren't gluten-free. It's really annoying.
You don't want to share one?
No, I don't want to share one. They're tiny.
First look, this reminds me of those like Kellogg's cereal bars.
Oh yeah.
The texture. I'm getting a little bit of a cardboard taste.
The texture's different. It's like grainy. Just weird ingredients, really.
Onion extract, broccoli, kale, cranberry, raspberry.
I was gonna say there's definitely like veggies in here.
And I don't love that it's just like canola oil.
If you guys have had made good Rice Krispie treats, those are really good and light. These are definitely more dense. I guess these would probably keep you full a little bit longer.
I like the consistency of it.
Only 90
just
calories.
The flavor is a little off.
It's good though. It tastes like vanilla. I think it's really sweet.
I think it gets better with taste.
It does, yeah. $4.50 for 6 bars. It got better as we went on. I'm gonna give it a 3.
That's what I was gonna give it.
Great minds. 6 out of 10.
And last but not least, something a little funky, something a little interesting. Favalicious.
Favalicious, expeditious, expeditious. Oh.
Are you trying to sing Fergalicious?
Yeah, I was. I don't know the words.
Wasabi and ginger. Here we go.
Kind of nervous.
It doesn't smell great.
No, they're huge too.
What is IP food starch?
That can't be good for you. I never been so excited to try something.
Ooh, you get the wasabi. I don't like them.
My brother used to eat the wasabi peas. Is that what it was?
I like those.
And I never really saw the appeal of them.
These are nasty. They don't taste good.
Not a fan.
But
it's getting really hot.
I'm not at work like, I'm just gonna go have my 15-minute break snack. I brought fava beans.
Yeah. Are they your favorite?
They're my least favorite.
Yeah. You know what? Try another one. Try another one. We're getting better. Do I dare say try 2 at a time?
I don't want to.
Oh, this one looks like Pac-Man. Oh, doesn't look like Pac-Man anymore.
I'm gonna rate these 1.
1.5. 2.5 out of 10.
Like and subscribe, follow, turn on your notifications, and comment below.